Hello again.
In the last video I showed you how to use the scraper to find hot items to sell and also how to use the spider in order to quickly grow your sellers list.
In this video I will show you how easy it is to list those items directly from the lab. So let's begin. First we will go to the lab. Here you can see all the items you found and saved. You can list those items to your store pretty easily from here. As you can see, the List Item button is disabled. This is to make sure you change the price of the item before listing it. Remember, the strategy works best when you undercut the price of your competition. I will click on Selling Price and lower the price a bit. Now I can list the item. That is our item lister. The lister pulled all the information of the item we scraped and copied it to our listing. I will start by checking the listing settings first. You can change the price by changing any of these parameters. Images are important. Good and clear images will help your listing sell better. You can move and order the images as you like. You can also view the image in full size. Clicking on the star icon will set the image as the primary image and will insert it to the description as well. You also have the option to add more images from URL or directly from your computer. The item specifics are pulled automatically from the original item you scraped. You can add custom item specifics if you want. This is the description of the item. As I said, the image displayed here is the image you set as the primary image in the gallery. That's it, the item is ready. All that remains is to click on List and the lister will do the rest. It's very important to us that the lister will be quick and easy to use. You also have the option to list items directly from the supplier. We currently support Amazon.com and Walmart.
This is an item I found on Amazon and want to list in my store.
All I need to do is to copy the URL of the item. Go to the lister, paste it there, and click on Import. The lister now pulls all the information directly from the supplier. All that remains is to edit it as I want and list it. Thanks for watching. In case you are not using Sku-Scraper, I invite you to try it for yourself. You can register for a 21-day free trial right now. Best of luck and happy scraping!